The call of American Golden Plover is one of most distinctive characteristic, especially during the migration and breeding season. Their calls play a crucial role in communicating among these birds, and they vary slightly depending on the situation, such as during flight, territorial defense, or when warning of danger. During the breeding season, which typically occurs in the Arctic tundra, these plovers become more vocal to defend their territory. Their call in this context may be sharper and louder, used to warn of potential threats or rivals. When they sense danger, they might produce a more urgent, repeated note that the signals other birds to be alert. When the American golden plover is in flight, it often emits a soft, whistling call that sounds like a clear queet or kleeu. The sound is usually high pitched and can be heard over long distance. The flight can help the birds maintain contact with each other while migrating in flocks or navigating across large landscapes. The American golden plover also uses soft calls when communicating with its mate or nearby flock member. These calls tend to be more subtle and melodic, serving as a form of bonding or coordination, especially during the nesting period when they are rearing their young. During migration, which cover thousands of kilometers from their Arctic tundra breeding grounds to South America, their calls are essential for keeping the flock organized and moving in a coordinated manner. The American plover pitch is generally high pitched and can be likened to whistles. Warning and alert calls act as an early warning system against predators like birds of prey, foxes, or even human disturbance. This behavior helps ensure the safety of both the individual birds and its flocks. In the breeding season, their vocalization helps establish and defend territories. It also assists in the courtship process, where calls play a part in attracting mates. The call characteristic is generally high pitched and can be likened to a whistle. The American plover has a clear and somewhat plaintive tone, which is quite distinct and can be recognized from a distance. These calls of the American Golden Plover not only help in communicating but also add a musical quality to their natural habitats, where it's the open fields, coastal areas, or tundra landscapes. Where they are found, bird watchers and ornithologists often use these calls to identify the presence of American golden plovers, even if they are not directly visible. The sound is often repeated, especially during the migration season when birds are actively calling to one another.